Hello everybody. Right, well I got another one for you. It's a mini metro made by CORGI, so this will be the first CORGI I get to strip and fix up. Not in too bad a condition really. Got this one Sunday at the NEC motor show. It was only £1, so I'm going to start off by drilling these big rivets out and see how we go, because like I said, I've never done a CORGI. So this is the first one, so I don't know what will be the best size drill bit, so I'll just give this one a try. I think it may need a not exactly dead in the middle there, is it? Getting worse. That's a bit better. I think that one's give this one a little try. So I've never done a CORGI one, so the rivets are a bit on the different to a matchbox. Yeah, like I said, I've never ever done one, so maybe I need a bigger drill bit. Let's give this one a try. Looks a bit more promising. Right, I'll get this clipped off. Hopefully that should be enough off of there. I might be just pry them off now with a screwdriver. I've got to be careful because it's a, let's put that. I'll be careful because it's a plastic bottom. Let's give him a little prize. There he is, he's gone. I said a rivet on the back. It's going to be a bit of a problem, I think. Didn't really drill straight. I'll just have a little play. Just searing out if I can. No. Use a bit more of a funnier type of rivet than matchbox. I can just pry him off. If he's going, yeah, there he goes. He's gone. Yeah, there he is. There we are. So yeah, Well, the wheels are all in good nick anyway, so that's all fine. Out comes the interior. Oh, somewhat to that effect. Somehow it's coming out. I realise it's got black on the bumpers, so I'll have to touch all that in. And the grille got to be touched in black. That makes a change in silver. Let's open these doors up a minute. Maybe that might help it fall out. Doing somewhat. Maybe it comes out a different way. Ah, there we are. Oh, I see how it goes. What about the glass? Does that just pop out? Yeah. There we are. That's the glass out. I'll leave the doors on because he's only got this tiny little pin and I don't want to bend it about. I mean, when I've sprayed the Matchbox ones, I've left doors open. Just leave it in there. Spray it that way, it's easier. Right, that's it. I know it's a very simple little model Corgi, but it's my first one, so I've never done one before. It's always been the Matchbox ones. So, right, I'll get this one stripped and I'll come back when it's time to buzz it over a little bit, clean it up before spraying. Hello everybody. Right, welcome back. Right, there's the little Metro, sorry. Still got bits of paint on it. It's going to need picking off. I thought I'd just let you see it stripped, because everything takes time. I left him soaking overnight in paint stripper. It's all coming off. It's just scraping off now. And just with the wire brush on there, everything that'll all come off straight away. It's just all these little nooks and crannies you got to, you know, get into. You might need your pick for that. But a nice lot of detail in this one. Very nice lot of detail. Like I said, it's the first Corgi I get to do anyway, because I haven't done a Corgi. It's always been Matchbox cars, so I thought start off with something simple. Anyway, I'm gonna get this one wire brushed down, and we'll get it in paint, and we'll show you how it turns out. But it'd be going blue again. I'll give it a real good metallic blue, and come back then. See you in a bit. Okay, right, well, I've given it a good clean up. Sorry about I had to cut that short. My phone started ringing, and yeah, all been cleaned up. All the blues come off. Still a few places, but it's like inside, not really gonna bother it, I don't think. It should be okay. Anyway, I'll get this one in primer, get it in paint, and then you can get to see what you think afterwards. Alright, I know I said I'll get this in paint and everything, but when I was looking at it very carefully, there were some bad casting marks around the arches, so I've filing them down just to make sure it goes into a nice, you know, shape. And that looks a lot better. There were some real bad casting marks, real lumps just stuck out and just looked really horrible. That looks a lot better now. You know, to some people it might not be nothing, but I like it a little bit, you know, try and make it look a bit more better. Alright, right, like I said, I will get this one in paint. Right, everybody, well, the Metro is done. Giving it a nice good coat of paint. It's done the best I can do it. I might have to just brush in a little bit on the door sills actually. But yeah, It's not too bad. I mean, it's only a display model. We're not running around playing with them or doing anything else. So let's get that back in there. That makes it look a lot better. Right, now I've got to suss out how this goes back in. I think I had to open the doors for this. There we go. Nice beige interior. Now I've just got to find the bottom for this one. Where is it? Where did I put it? There it be. I really do need to get a new chair. This chair is absolutely creep crank. It makes so many noises. So alright. I don't need to worry too much about the silver on the wheels because that's in pretty good nick. I'll take the price tag off though. What I paid for it. It was only, like I said, it was only £1. So it was just something different to start off with. Anyway, being a Corgi. I tried drilling out the pillar, but then when I started drilling, my drill snapped. I was gonna put a rivet in there, but then I thought, nah. I thought I won't bother. I just knowing it's got a plastic bottom, I just use a little bit of the glue, because like I said, it's just a plastic bottom. It's just a show model. I'm certainly not running around the carpet with them at my age. Even though sometimes I think we never grow up. Then again, who wants to grow up? Right, just here's a little dab of this. Let's see if we can get this one to click in. Okay, that's gone on there nice and tight. Right, just going to let that dry. Then I'll touch in all like the bumpers all in black, stuff like that. And then I'll show you the finished article. And hopefully it should look cool. Right. back in a little while. Okay everybody, right, welcome. Right, we've finished it. We've blackened the bumpers, we've painted in the lights, we've done the brake lights and everything else. So just I let it dry for a little while. Okay, there's the rear. There'll be the front. Without getting this is where I really do need a turntable. I must get hold of one. There's the side. There's that side. And as we know, the doors and all that open. And yeah, she rolls all okay. Well, apart from my catches on there. But yeah, goes okay. Look alright in the display cabinet, I think. My first Corgi restoration. So I've never done a Corgi before. It's not a big one. It's not an old one. It's, what was it? What would you say? Has that got a year on it at all? No. But it must be round about the 80s maybe. Because it says made in Great Britain. We never put anything like that on anything anymore. Made in Great Britain. So there we go. One nice Corgi Mini Metro. I actually do like the Mini Metro. I would like to own one for a short period of time, not for very long. I'd just like to have one just to use for a little while. Maybe modify them, maybe do a few little modifications and then sell on. Because that's me. But then yeah, anyway, there we go. Hopefully I'll bring you another Corgi one. This was, like I said, the first Corgi. Never done one before. I wanted something simple. It was only £1 at the NAC, so I bought it. And yeah, quite chuffed on how that one's come up. That's definitely going in the display cabinet now. Right, catch you on another one.